Welcome to the hidden world. Today we are zooming in on a giant ant to see what life looks like at a microscopic level. Look at the texture of its exoskeleton. It's like a natural armor protecting this teeny titan from the environment. Ants are incredibly strong, often lifting objects 50 times their own body weight. Truly a masterpiece of biology. Nature is full of surprises. If you enjoy this microview, don't forget to subscribe for more.